Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Welcome to day 3 of the 7-day, 10-minute workout series. So great job on showing up.
Hi.
All right, so today we've got a cardio workout.
Oh boy.
High intensity interval training workout, and it's in a pyramid style format.
Heart pumping.
That's right, get your heart rate up and we're just burn some calories today. Get some steps in as well.
All
right, so 2 exercises. We're gonna do each for 20 seconds, then 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and back down to 30 seconds, and back down to 20 seconds. So
okay.
It's a pyramid, okay?
Right.
All right, so what do you need? Don't need any weights for this workout. However, if you wanna up the challenge, use some light ones. You can use water bottles, cans, something that's easy
Challenge
to hold.
yourself. Good.
That's right. If you have any rugs, please get them out of the way or secure them, and definitely have water handy. It's very important to stay hydrated, especially when you're exercising. All right, so Mom, any thoughts?
No, let's get started. We got to climb. We got to do a lot of climbing.
A lot of climbing, get the steps in. All right, we'll take a quick pause here and get started with our warm-up. Hey, let's just start warming it up. Okay, get those feet moving.
Yep.
Getting those steps in.
Get your heart pumping.
Get your heart pumping.
Get the blood down to your feet.
That's right. Down to your feet, throughout your body.
Your brain, everything.
Your brain, everything.
Yep.
That's right. Get that blood flowing. Get your heart rate up. All right, very nice. Give me some heel touches forward. We'll be doing some of these, so getting you ready for that.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That'll be fine. It's only 2 moves. All right, march it out. Good job.
You didn't say how long these 2 moves are.
Well,
30 seconds, you said.
No. We're doing it in a pyramid format,
okay.
right? Side steps. Side steps, okay? Doing it in 20 seconds.
This is my favorite right here. I could do this all day.
We'll be doing variation on this move as well, everybody. Okay, very nice. Okay, keep it going. All right, nice. March it out. And one last move. I just want you to get your, step it back, okay? Step it back. Yep, step it back. Breathe. We'll be doing this move too, okay? Just getting you ready.
Oh, okay.
All right. All right, give me a nice reach up. Reach up. One more each side. Very nice. Okay, give me some nice shoulder rolls. 1, good. 2, 3, and 4. Reverse it. 1, good. 2, 3, and 4, and nice. Shake it out. All right, good job on this warm up. We'll take a pause and get started with our pyramid workout.
We can do it.
Okay, so our first move is a double side step.
Okay.
So your step, 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 and touch. Step, 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 and touch. Okay, step. Got that move down with the feet?
Yep.
Okay, then we're putting the arms up. Step, step, step. Arms up. Arms up. Yes. Arms up. Good. And up. Breathe, everybody. Yes.
Yeah.
It's only 20-second
breathing.
round.
Don't stop breathing.
Oh, yes. We have lots of, march it out. This is our rest period. Good.
That was
real
it?
short.
That was short.
That's it. That's it.
Oh, I like those
Quick,
shorties.
right? I know. This is a short round, so it's going to go quick.
Okay.
All right. Next exercise is heel, heel, back, and back. Okay.
Okay.
Heel, heel, back, and back. Let's get the feet down first. Heel,
Okay.
heel, back, back. Right. Heel, heel, back, and back. Okay. Heel, heel, back, and back. Good. Heel.
Coordination,
heel,
folks.
back, and back. Keep going. One more set. Back and back. Good. Rest. Woo-hoo. That was round 1, everyone.
Oh, boy.
So that was a 20-second round. Now we're going into the 30-second round.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So going back to that double step with the arms up.
Okay.
Okay? All right, so keep marching it out. Get your steps in here. Keep
This
it
is for 30 seconds?
This is 30 seconds, right? We're
Okay.
going into 30-second round. Here we go. Step, step, step. Arms up. Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Up. Good. Now, if you wanted to really ramp this up or do something different, you can do the grapevine, which I will show you in a second. Okay?
You go ahead. Show off.
You step it behind and up.
I'm
Step
happy doing what
behind
I'm doing here.
and up. Good. You're doing great. And up. And up. And rest. Nice.
Wow.
Got that?
I like that.
All right.
All
Good
right.
job, everybody.
Yeah.
And again, you don't have to go at our pace. You can slow it down. Okay. These
Sure.
are like interval rounds. So you go as fast or slow as you
That's
want
right.
and feel.
Do your stuff.
All right.
Your own
So
pace.
we're going back to that
heel,
heel,
heel, back, back.
We're on for 30.
Heel, heel, back, heel.
Very good. Yes.
I'm just keeping my brain in sync here.
I love it.
My brain's working with
love
the
it.
arms and legs.
Very good. That's right. Heel. Good.
Heel. I'm going to shut up and be quiet and just concentrate. My brain.
Back and back.
My
I put this
brain-
one in because it is a coordination move,
It
right?
is. Yeah.
Nice. Now, nice big
Whew.
exercise rest period here, okay? Take a sip of water. Take a sip of water. We're here for like about 30 seconds. I
I'm
want you to
good.
rest.
I keep my feet moving.
Because we're going into that big 40-second round, everybody.
Oh boy.
Yes. Oh, yes.
We can do it.
You can ramp it up, right?
Right.
Okay, love that you're keeping your feet moving.
Yep.
And again, great job on showing up this week and today. Good job. All right, keep it going.
Right.
All right, let's go back. Step, 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 arms up. Arms up, good. Arms up, good. Keep going. Whew, and breathe. Don't forget to breathe.
Yeah, don't forget to breathe.
Okay, keep going. Arms up. I'm doing grapevine here. Arms up. Arms up.
Yeah.
And you don't even have to get your arms all the way up.
Yeah.
All I want you to do is just to keep moving.
That's right.
Don't get this step, that's okay. Breathe. Step, step, step. Arms up. Good. Breathe. Notice the difference in the time on this.
Yeah. Just a
Round.
little few seconds makes a difference.
That's right. Breathe. Just a few more seconds. And you did it!
Yay!
That was a 40-second
40
round, everyone.
seconds.
Good job.
Good job.
All right. We're going into 40-second round. Heel, heel. Back, back, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now get ready.
This is easy.
You
Easy
know
now.
these. You know the feet moves.
Simple.
You know the feet moves. I'm going to add some arms just to give you a little bit of
Uh-oh.
variation. Okay, so let's do this. Heel, heel, back, and back. Good. Heel, heel. Good. Back and back. Nice. Heel, heel, back, and back. Really nice. 30 seconds more.
Yeah.
And breathe. Breathe it out, everyone. And back. And back. Really nice. Breathe. And back. And back. Another 15. Go. Back. And back. Breathe. Heel.
We're doing it.
You're doing it.
Yeah.
Just a few more seconds.
We can do it.
This is 40-second round.
Woo.
And one more set. Heel. Heel. Back and back. Nice
Oh,
job,
good job.
everybody. All right. Another 30-second round of rest. So sip, 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 sip. Water. Very important. Stay hydrated. Water is important
I'm
for
good.
all of your cells. Okay. We're going down. Now we're coming down the side of the pyramid.
All right.
We're going 30 seconds.
Sounds good.
You ready for that?
Yep.
Are you excited?
Yep. I always like going down the hill.
That's right. Okay. We're going to start this way.
Okay.
Okay. And we're on. Step, step, step. Arms up. Good. Keep going. Breathe. Breathe. 30 seconds. Whoo. Breathe. Very nice. Looking good.
How long is this one?
This one's a 30-second round.
Oh, wow.
Yes. We're almost at the end though.
Yeah.
And breathe.
Good job.
Uh-huh. Just a few more seconds. One more.
Get the heart up.
And
I feel
breathe. Nice.
Starting to get dewy here.
Oh, good. That means you're working it. It means your heart is working. Your body's moving.
Yep.
Blood is pumping.
Yep.
That's right. You're sprinting out there. Excellent.
Well, I'm just sort of jogging.
Good job. I like your jog. Okay, remember that. Heel, heel, back, back.
Yeah.
Heel, heel, give me back, and back. Nice. Heel, heel, back, back. Or we come down here. Heel, heel, and back, back. Nice. Breathe, and back. Oh yeah, we're working legs forward and back here. I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Strengthening those legs. You can get your glutes and hamstrings involved in this one.
Yeah.
Whew.
You got the whole shebang here.
One more. One more. And back. Back. Nice. Nice, everybody. All right. Woohoo. We're heading into final round. 20 seconds. All
20
right.
seconds.
I'm going to run around you.
Simple.
Good job.
We did it.
Yep. We're almost there. We're going to be a really quick round. 20 seconds.
Okay.
Super, super, super quick.
Okay.
All right.
I'm for it.
All right. Nice work, everyone. Keep it going. All right. A few more seconds. A little active rest. Sip of water, okay? And we are on. Here we go. Step, step, step. Arms out. Good. Arms out. Good. Arms out. Good.
This is a quickie.
Yes. Now, yeah, you could ramp this up if you want, but you know, you do you. Breathe. Do what's right for you. And nice. And rest. See how quick that was?
That was quick.
Okay.
I like that.
And it's a final round.
Okay.
Okay. You got your favorite heel, back. And we're out.
With arms.
That's right. Okay. A few more seconds. Love that we're getting our steps in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Heel, and back. Good. Heel, back, and back. Heel, back, and back. Breathe. This is a quick one.
Yeah.
And back.
Don't stop breathing.
Yes. Heel.
We did it. We're almost done.
Nice work,
Yay.
everybody. Congratulations. You have made it through the pyramid workout. All right. Let's cool it down. All right. Side. Okay. And stop. Let's inhale, exhale, and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And give me that open up the chest. Open and close. Good. Open and close. Give me one more inhale, exhale, and exhale. And nice job, everybody. Need more cool down? Check out our cool down video. But congratulations on completing
job.
day 3
We did it.
of the 10-minute
Good work.
workout series. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 4. Meantime, get some rest and we'll see you later.
See you soon.